So today we are going to do some tutorial of set D, which is acne scar set. We have 4 items here, which is the first is vitamin C foam cleanser, next is an expert toning solution, and then enzyme serum, and finally, not to forget, is brightening moisturizing cream. Okay, so the first step is using the vitamin C foam cleanser. You just remove this, put the desired amount according to your skin, and take a little bit of water, drop to lather it on your skin and make it foamy like this, and wash your face. Next step is we're going to use expert toning solution. Okay, so take a side seal facial puff. Okay, put it over your cotton. So just apply and then you just pat around your face here. Just remove everything. Don't forget your neck part. Okay, next is we are going to use enzyme serum. Serum which is enriched with salicylic acid. And gently lather it all over the face. Don't forget your nose, under. Final part is brightening moisturizing cream. It is very important to use brightening moisturizing cream as it will get rid of those scars that you have, especially in your face. It is very convenient as well. We just have to squeeze it like that. Okay, and come out already. And you massage your face all over. So this is the set for acne scar set.